Hello, friends. My name is Hari Om Vashisht, and I am an entrepreneur. I'm a builder. I'm a funnels oriented professional enabled by artificial intelligence, and I'm building a portfolio of agents. Welcome to my third inning, where I'm live building and exposing the way I think. So, this session has a name. I'm going to comment my own name. Dear System Integrators, let's talk. Here is my AI enabled system and how I think in structures and tools. Okay, so I'm going to be quickly showcasing my methods and how I think. Um, Agenda is to showcase the way I think with my systems and evolve my systems. Um, I'll start with showcasing the entire screen and Notion. Okay. Um, so this is the page that was generated by Hermes agent. My third inning basically means that two innings have gone before, uh, and I'm working towards a very clear personal goal, but I wish to enable my clients in the long run. Okay, so that's the agenda. Yesterday, this page version history. This page was created by Hermes agent after my day before yesterday's live broadcast. Okay, this page is an outcome of a summary of my session where I talk about and expose the way I think and showcase everything I do. Okay. Um each session is also ranked by the agent and give me a score based on my personal goal, kind of an anchor towards the session, right? So recently I started also asking what is that I should be doing. Like that was the that's the recommended like general method of thinking, right? I uh, am rather doing drift analysis, and I asked what is that I should stop doing. Okay, it gave me a long list like stop building infrastructure without logged ICP. So today I'm talking to my ICP. uh, so yes, it says stop explaining your agent. I mean, I don't agree with AI. I'm saying, dude, that's my method. That's how I think. That's what is the agenda of these live sessions, right? I'm exposing the way I think, right? And that's the mode I have. That's all we have got other than all the superpowers of artificial intelligence. So my perspectives, my methods is what is available to the industry through these live sessions, and I'm creating my metadata on the internet so that I am available to the one who's looking forward to a builder like me. Okay, so it says top treating Notion to do pipeline as a work. So there's work being built. It kind of says that you are creating work to be engaged, right? Yes, I have not been pitching my ICP very clearly. So, but I do have been sending messages, portfolio, exposing my methods in a way that I'll show you my homepage. So this is, wait a second. This is my uh, mm, 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 agent portfolio. Okay, and these are the pain points I'm targeting very clearly. Very clearly, I want to empathize with the Salesforce system integrators who have system complexity at scale. I mean, um, at scale, there might be million things that you understand about your system, but an outsider perspective could be very useful to just explore, right? So somebody who can challenge your assumptions, or you can trust that, yeah, this guy or maybe just pick up someone random, just let yourself be questioned. Hmm. Maybe the definition of the process you are following, right? So based on these pain points, my ICP, which I'm saying, is that someone who's doing $10 million plus revenue, I have got about 4 hours a day, and I am building a 5 days Salesforce systems teardown as a process to pitch. So this is me internalizing all these thoughts, all these things that I'm building, and I'll be building agents on live broadcast from now on. In my recent live session, I also have been struggling to log into my. Uh, Wait a second. Yeah, this is my portfolio. I will be talking about this. So I have been failing to log into my Salesforce account, and that's what I have been able to do after the session. So now I have a huge portfolio, not really a portfolio, uh, an Agentforce system. Like you see how many times I have been building agents just to test my skills. So this is the page that has loaded right now. This is what I'm going to be exploring very often, uh, just to showcase my Hermes agent. Wow, this is the I mean, look at the skills it showcases. I cannot even imagine the things it can do, but it has a cost. Every message to my Hermes agent is a cost, has huge cost. So my cost dashboard um, needs to be managed very carefully. It's like one automatic run it does for me. Costs which I've customized it for. It costs me $1.03, which is what is the acceptable amount for each out like specific outcome I expect from my agent. So this portfolio has one thesis which is half baked, which I still want to expand into in my head and before actually building an architecture. This second agent is a Salesforce agent. This is the system I wish to expand into in a way that um, I understand the business. I need to understand the business for which I need to build an agent, right? So that's how I went into understand building a business. That was my side project, is my side project. So I built an agent for that, for which I needed to understand a lot of things, right? So in upcoming sessions, I'll be building an agent to be available as me on this website, on my services home nothingelsematters.com. So it is kind of going into my to-do list from the agent itself. The third agent is the agent which is Hermes agent. I've been talking about. I'll be expanding into this as I go forward. What I'm trusting, why I'm actually even trying to spend money to build this kind of agent that does something for me, is that it there's a promise that it learns from us. So I mean, look at this thing here. It was scheduled to run today, but it did not run because there was no live stream on this date in my YouTube live stream yet. It is smart, but there is something missing. I don't know. I said, why did not you update the delivery target yet? There was some confusion. So yeah, it's okay. So this agent is working. I need to now see how much I can evolve this and offload all my thinking, so that dude, I can now depend on you, and I can ask you why you did not do that. We can do the root cause analysis, but since everything has a cost, I need to have the picture in my head very carefully. So that's what I'm pitching. That's what is the method I'm proposing to the builders in the ecosystem. Let's I'll just give it a prompt to start this agent building exercise before I finish today's session. And let me see how much. time we have been in this session? 8 minutes, right? So let me kill all other pages that are not required. This is the live pitch lab template that I built with the help of Claude, and it is like a, it's like a, it's a great start, but I, yes, I wish to expand on it. So let's see if I fill in some information, it can it actually expand on a lot of things here. I'm just actually assuming this. Okay. Today's pitch target, who? Oh, wow, this who is part is a tough challenge that I may not be able to really answer because I don't really empathize with my clients, my ICP, very clearly yet. I'm saying I don't understand. I've not met an ICP. My ICP. I've been exploring. I'm building. I'm doing it. Okay. Today's pitch target. Practice head at $15 million system integrators firm. So I used Whisper Flow to just type in everything I read. Ask what? 5 days, yes. 5 days Salesforce org tear down. I don't know. I don't expect it to do things for me. Its template is like I think I need to fill it myself. Expected objection. We already have an architect in term. I don't know. Okay, let's say. Um, why should we trust you? And I expect this objection from my clients, and I know I need to build a system around me to be able to prove it that this I am the person you need to build with me or solve your problems. So this is the discipline system I'm proposing. I'm expanding into things. um, what's today's artifact slide demo build pitch artifact live? I am talking to my ICP directly in the face, showcasing the way I think and the systems I have built since long time, and being very vulnerable. I mean, is that even an input that is chosen? So all these information is like a thing I must fill before starting a session, right? It would probably tell me that there's no drift in upcoming sessions. This is the ideal case I wish to expand into. So templates. I mean, all we technically need to do is templatize the process so that the system will be able to take care of it, right? So let's get into the depth of it. And this is the agent builder. Agent that is meant for agent building. Explain the project. Explain the services provided by the person behind the system. That is me, Hari Om Vashisht. Okay, so I'm giving a prompt to my agent builder agent. Okay, um, you are supposed to deflect every other answer question that is not related to the project and services under the website nothingelsematters.com. You are allowed to describe the related businesses and links under the website nothingelsematters.com under the proprietary unfinished innovations LLP. So this is the kind of uh, guardrails driven thinking format that I follow. You need to know what is should not do, right? Just a blank prompt. Okay, I think I must go to my agent library. Hey, there is something in the agent library that I've been struggling to do. That is, there some versions that I wanted to test in my test cases, automated test cases building exercise were not visible in the test cases section. I don't know if it has resolved. I need to test it yet. So I need to give it a name. Okay, new user, select user. So this is the way we build. We can build Salesforce agents on live broadcast, and that's what I'm doing now. So this is what I think I will be doing. Oh, see. So this is what. Come on. This is the kind of the uh, I would say. Wait a second. So I'm not able to choose the right agent that I can use. This is the kind of exercise, vulnerable exercise building thing that I wish to do. Um, and the agent building things like I wish to do for the rest of my foreseeable future, because why not use the superpowers that we have, tools we have we can use, and the open-minded thinking we can use to just ask the right questions, and that's all we need to do, right? So this agent is like, in a way, there's one version 1 out now. Chat with agent to build your agent. It says, I am sorry, I was not able to find what you are looking for. Explain the services provided by the person behind. Oh, what is that, dude? You're already testing my agent. I'm sorry, my goal is to help you edit edits to your agent or answer questions about your agent. Okay, this agent only needs to describe the services provided by the platform. Let's see if it answers the way I expect it to. I mean, it says, I'm sorry, I'll be confused. Got it. To make your agent only describe the services provided by the platform, nothing else matters. I can update your agent script so sets a clear system purpose limited to describing these services, adds updates start agent that routes all agent query to single sub agent focused, deflect anything outside that scope, optionally include a brief description related. So I think I can provide a very brief, very detailed PDF file which it can use as a data library for chunking and using for answering the questions, right? For the from the visitors. So soon there will be a an agent on my website, nothingelsematters.com. This agent will be built on Salesforce, and it will be visible here somewhere on this page. And I want to iterate on these agents. The other agent I have that is three mistakes of my life. This agent is like a, what do I say? Oh, there's only one version. This is not the agent I wish wanted to check. So, oh, I'm hitting wrong buttons so fast. Okay. Uh, what is that I want to expand into now? I think it's so enough for the session. I will have an agent on this page soon. This is kind of now my to-do list, and that's how I build. That's how I upgrade my processes. One last thing I think I want to go through is my to-do list that I built recently after uh, running my recent session. So I think I'm saying I'm okay with not full. completing all the tasks I put in my to-do list. Um, I think I also created a list like a. Wait a second. No, it's not there. It must be some other page. So I tried dividing the tasks into categories. Wait a second. I think I need to go to the other page. So that's the goal. This is my method of working. This is how I wish to work in a way that I expose the way I think, I expand the way I do things. So let's see the to-do list here, or if I can write off some of the items here from this list. Test Hermes agent with the end goal, attempt session expired, add description to the YouTube videos. This is what I want to add to the um, automation soon. Build. This is what I have started with, but I need to finish it for a acceptable state. This is not automated yet. Okay, it says build Salesforce system map template. Yes, it is done. Gate 5 complete full system tear down pitch. You can say it's a system tear down pitch, but it's not very carefully in that way, so it's not. Bank of questions system tear down. Okay. Yeah, per day budget is there. I So this is how I have defined kind of a expand into. Okay, so verdict has to improve. I am giving myself some score from there. uh, so that's all for today. I'm not going to like spend too much doing things rather than explaining. So explaining and building is what I'll be doing. And that's all for today. It's a great time to be alive. Keep building. Important thing, do you understand the importance of having a perspective in the age of artificial intelligence? I hope you do. That's all for today. Good night.